Here is your chance: beautiful custom-built 2-story home in highly sought-after Mallard Bay subdivision. Abberley Lane Design Floor Plan is a southern living idea house built in Savannah, Georgia. Over 5,200 square feet of living space, including 6 bedrooms, 5 full baths, a powder room and 2 laundry rooms. As you enter the main level through the foyer, you will see a formal dining room and a living room with lake view. Continue entering the house to a 2-story coffered ceiling great room with hardwood floors, gas fireplace, surround sound, open floor plan, and lots of windows for natural light. Large eat-in kitchen with island, 5-burner gas stove top, dual ovens, and lots of cabinets and granite tops. Master suite with gas fireplace and hardwood floors includes ensuite with jetted tub, dual sinks, and walk-in shower. Separate office/bedroom on main level could be separate living area with its own full bath. Upstairs you will find an additional 4 bedrooms, each with access to a full bath, a bonus room, a playroom, a library, and lots of storage. Need additional storage? Continue up to the 3rd level floored attic storage. Outside you will find a covered wraparound porch with lake view, covered patio great for entertaining or just relaxing while overlooking an in-ground saltwater pool with private fenced backyard. Mature landscaping features azaleas, crepe myrtles, dogwoods, maples, and magnolia trees. 3-car garage gives you space for your toys or extra vehicle. Got a boat? Mallard Bay has a private boat launch with dock and a gazebo with picnic area and 3 piers for fishing or boating. Mallard Bay is just a short drive to shopping, restaurants, golf, lake, parks, and much more. 1-year home warranty included. Buyer to verify square footage.